Hi, I'm Mary, a traditional Chinese medicine tutor and a registered acupuncturist in Canada.
Have you ever felt emotionally unsettled but couldn't explain why? In TCM, your mind is not controlled by the brain, it is governed by the heart. But it does not belong to the heart alone. It is expressed through 5 organ systems.
In TCM, we think that all the Zang organs associated with certain aspect of the Shen. The heart, in general, houses the Shen, governs the life activities, including the spiritual part or the mental activities of human. But if you divide it into details, the heart houses the Shen in narrow sense, the lung governs the soul. We call it the corporeal soul or Po. Liver governs Hun. Spleen governs Yi. And kidney governs Zhi. When we say all the 5 Zang organs are associated with a certain type of the Shen aspect, the heart itself also controls an aspect. This aspect would be the foundation for other type of activities to function. It's like the president of a college. Even though the president is supposed to govern everything in the whole school, actually he will dedicate many things to other stuff or other department, but he himself will control the most core or important part. So in this sense, we say the first physiological function of the heart is cognition. The cognition means that the Shen has the physiological function of accepting, processing, and reflecting external objective things and information to carry out consciousness, thinking, and emotional activities. If people don't have this kind of function, the function of cognition, that is to say, they cannot process the information. Like sometimes we say, the goldfish only have a memory of 3 seconds. If human only have 3 seconds memory, whatever you learned 3 seconds ago, you already forgot, then you can do nothing. Nothing you can do. When you accept new information, you process it. That's the basic ability for other type of the ability to happen. So the cognition itself is the most core part of Shen or any type of the spiritual activity or life activity. Another point, heart dominates the whole body life activities. The heart dominates the 5 Zang and 6 Fu organs because the life activity, which is the external manifestations of Zang Fu organs, meridians, and qi and blood activities. Heart dominates people's spiritual activities, include consciousness, thinking, and emotional activities. This is the essential part of human life activity, and also it governs and affects the coordination and the balance of all aspects of body's physiological function. By dominating the 5 Zang and 6 Fu organs and the meridians, the heart plays a role of coordinating and balance all aspects of the body's Zang organs and all kinds of physiological functions. Therefore, they can work together. Otherwise, it would like an army without a commander. Everybody do their own business. In that sense, nothing can really happen. In human body, it will lead to very serious disease. Therefore, the heart that houses the Shen is the master of human life activities. The heart is the monarch, and all the internal organs and tissues must obey the heart. The 5 viscera and the 6 Fu organs, constituents and sense organs, must be under the unified command of the heart to carry out coordinated and unified normal life activities. Otherwise, it will lead to imbalance. Having said that, we know the heart governs the most basic part of the life activities, the core part of the Zhen. We're going to discuss one by one about the other organs' function. Po and the Hun. According to Spiritual Period, Chapter 8, the one who comes and goes with the Zhen is called Hun, and the one who enters and exits with the essence is called Po. Thus, the Po, or we call it the corporeal soul, is inherent in the essence and based on the body, while the Hun, that is the ethereal soul, is based on the activities of Zhen and Qi, and is gradually developed and active. The Po is inherent in the essence and based on the body. If it's inherent in the essence, that is to say, when people was born, they already have that kind of ability. That's inherent, not the learned ability or due to education. For example, people, when they was born, they can breathe, drink milk, even though nobody teach them how to do this, but they can do it. This kind of ability is associated with Po. Po, strong or not, is related with the function of the lung. When the lung qi is sufficient, we say lung qi, it is similar to say the lungs function. So when lung qi is sufficient, the Po is strong. People can drink milk, can breathe properly, and physically they can be very strong. But the Hun is, on the other hand, come and goes with the Zhen. If the Zhen is sufficient, let's say the heart is sufficient, the Zhen is regular, so you cannot see there's any difference. But in a pathological condition, the Hun cannot come and go with the Zhen. That's the time you can see where the Hun has problem. Like the example, during the night from 1 o'clock to 3 o'clock, she had such a dream, and she dreamed herself out of the body, looking at herself sleeping on the bed. So that is the Hun left the Zhen and move along by itself. Or you can see some people like a dream walker. During their dream, they are walking. This is also their Hun has not gone along with the Zhen. Sometimes you can see people, especially under certain type of emotional stimuli, they become sort of like we call it the lost Hun. They are moving, talking, but they do not aware what they are doing. They are in a sort of like in a dream. Even you talk to them, they still answer you. However, they're not really aware what you are talking or what they are doing. That's a sort of the situation where the Hun is separated with the Zhen. You can only see those kind of separation in a pathological condition. In a physiological condition, they are well together. This situation is sort of like the mouth water. The water in your mouth actually has two sources. One comes from the liquid evaporated by the stomach and spleen function.
Another one comes from the kidney yin.
Under the tongue, there are two extraordinary points, Jin Jin Yu Ye. Sometimes you can feel, for example, you are doing the abdominal breathing, deep breath. You can feel the water comes out from the 2 points, from the Jin Jin Yu Ye. That liquid actually related with the kidney. When you are healthy, in a physiological condition, you cannot tell the mouth water where they come from, which one is which one. But in a pathological condition, you can see very clearly. People who has spleen problem, like the spleen qi deficiency, they will have the drooping of the mouth water. Wake up in the morning, they look at the pillow is all wet. Or people had a stroke. A lot of people cannot control the mouth water, drooping along the corner of the mouth. That's the spleen problem. We're not talking about the kids. Like children under 3 years old, because their stomach and the spleen are still vulnerable, so they cannot control it. It's fine. But when they grow up, like more than 3 years old, still has those type of problem. That's related with the stomach qi deficiency. Another situation is sometimes people have so much water in the mouth, they have to spit it. Or if they cannot spit it on the ground, they will usually bring tissue paper and spit it to the tissue paper. This is the kidney problem. The kidney qi deficiency cannot control the water. Regular situation, you feel your mouth is not dry, not watery either. Your mouth is moistened, but not dry, not watery. This is normal. For human, in terms of the sun, when the sun is sufficient, you are going to see the normal activities, like we said, shiny eyes, flexible movement, rosy complexion, the shyness of the face, and the mental activity, the physical activity, all in a sound condition, and the people can sleep well. But when the Hun and the Sun separated, you are going to see many situations related with the uneasy of the Hun and the Sun. For example, one cannot sleep well, one will suffer from insomnia or too much drinks, sleepwalking, etc. When the Hun has a problem, it is related with liver. It is the liver has problem. Liver, later we will know, it is for the control the smooth flow of qi. When the liver cannot maintain the free flow of qi, people will have emotional problems like depression, even lead to the mental type of the disorder. Next one is called the Yi. It is related with the function of the spleen. Yi has several meanings. One, concentration, showing as the mind can direct and concentrate towards certain things. Yi refers to attention and concentration. Attention and concentration is the beginning of thinking activities. If you cannot concentrate, how can you think deeply into things? Another meaning refers to the generation of memory and ideas. The third, it is to evaluation and thinking. Evaluation, it is think about what happened already, and also think to the things in the future. Evaluate the future directions. When they have spleen problems, they tend to thinking too much. The past, the future, the current, everything, without being able to control it. That's why when it comes to disorder of the emotion, we categorize overthinking to the disorders of the spleen.
Next one is 智, or we call it the will.
This one is related with kidney. 智 in the Five Zang organ refers to the intentional psychological process with a clear goal equivalent to motivation and the will. Or other words to say, like people has a strong 智, then they usually have big goal, has ambition, they wants to achieve something big or something great. If you want to become strong and big, you need a very strong will to do that. This one is related with the kidney. If people's kidney qi is insufficient, they don't want to do anything. You can talk to them, convince them, you need to be good, you need to be strong. No way. They don't have interest in that at all. You can force them to do something, like you force them to play piano. They can sit there, but without really playing it. When saying this, you can see, like for a child, especially the young child, physical activities sometimes is more important than the mental kind of education. Physical part is more important when they are young. The reason is because strong kidney qi comes from the kidney essence. Kidney essence belongs to yin. But the kidney essence comes from two parts. One part is the innate essence, which is inherited from parents. That's the part you cannot change. If people was born weak, It's not say absolutely cannot become super, but generally speaking, there will be delayed development. Let's say the normal situation, the innate essence was just okay, everybody's average. Then the next part, it depends on the nourishment of the acquired essence, which are the foodstuff essence transformed by the stomach and the spleen. The transformation function of the food into the foodstuff essence rely on the function of the stomach and the spleen. If the foodstuff essence, like the acquired essence, is strong, this one can use to supplement the kidney essence to make the kidney essence strong. In order to make the stomach and the spleen strong, one, of course, you need sufficient food. Another one is to make the function strong. You need to exercise your forelimb, strengthen the muscle, or work towards the strengthening of the stomach and the spleen. So instead of teach your child, say you need to be strong and trying to be the number one, number two, whatever, to do good in the school, maybe you just train your child, like let the child play more and exercise more. When they are physically strong, likely there's more chance leading to a strong kidney as well. So in this sense, they naturally has that kind of motivation and the will to be good, to be strong. Make sense? So that's the kidney associated with the zhi or will. The function of the mind is the foundation of the human body's thinking, will, emotion, and other activities. Therefore, the heart's function has penetrated into other four Zang aspects as its foundation and premise. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who may benefit. I'll see you in the next video. All the best!